Google friendly. There's a comprehensive word tracker on-page optimization guide below the video. Again, this was an area in our research where we identified that the top ranking websites had a massive advantage because they were just doing the basics right. And that means they're getting the lion's share of the traffic and the new customers in your town day in, day out. For starters, they had the industry and their location in the page title of each of their pages. For example, let's say you're a printer in Birmingham. You need to include this in the text and code of your website. You need to say printer or printing services and Birmingham in the meta tags, the URLs, the headings and the text of your website. If that all sounds like gobbledygook, just check the guide below the video. Now you need to start getting some backlinks. Backlinks are basically when other websites link to your website. Now there's a whole industry that's grown up around backlinks, and to be honest, there are some pretty dodgy techniques out there. But look, you're a local business, so you haven't got to go crazy. You just need to get into the habit of picking up some backlinks on a regular basis. Here are some quick wins to get you started. Get a link from your social media profiles like Twitter, LinkedIn and Facebook. Does your industry have professional trade or accreditation bodies? If they do, get listed there. Do you have recognised industry directories? Get listed there. What about your local suppliers? Do they have a testimonials page? If they do, give them a testimonial and get listed there. And check where your competitors are getting backlinks from. Just copy them. Next up, is your website mobile friendly? These days, people aren't sitting behind a desk browsing at the internet. They're out and about on their mobile phones, searching for people like you that can help them. Google knows this, and that's why they've included mobile friendliness as a ranking factor in their algorithm. What's an algorithm, Tony? It's a fancy way of saying who's top and who's not in their search rankings. Oh, righto. And the last thing you want is to get shot down by Google, isn't it? Bang! Gotcha! The best option is a responsive website. That means it's built in a way so that it looks good on any device. Desktop, laptop, tablet or smartphone. Isn't that going to be expensive, Tony? Not necessarily. If you use a pre-made WordPress template, you can get that customized for a reasonable budget. Finally, set up a company blog. Again, our research showed that top ranking websites had over twice as many pages as lower ranking ones. A blog is perfect for this because it gives you the space and the opportunity to demonstrate your knowledge and your expertise. And blogging and social media are a match made in heaven. So it's a perfect way to stay in front of a local audience, as well as giving Google all that lovely, fresh content. So there you go. That's